Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a peer t-test using StatCrunch in two ways. So we are claiming that a certain medication is effective in lowering the blood sugar. So we have some data here. So the blood sugar before taking the medication and blood sugar for people after taking the medication. So to test the claim, we're gonna go to stat, t-stat, a peer t-test. So anytime you see before and after, that's an indication of peer t-test. So we click peer, we select before in sample 1 and after for sample 2. So here the hypothesis test is mu sub d. That's mean the difference of the mean of before and after. So mu sub d equals 0. That's mean the mean of the blood sugar before and after is the same. And here mu sub d for the alternative hypothesis, that's mean the difference of the mean of blood sugar before and after is not equal to 0. And you can of course change this to whatever you want, less than or greater than. So I'm just gonna go with not equal to 0 and hit compute. So here you go, that's my t-test is 1.22 and p-value is 0.2676, which is bigger than alpha. So I'm gonna choose alpha to be 0.05. So p-value is higher than alpha. So I'm gonna filter reject the node and conclude that there is no significant difference in blood sugar level between before and after. So that's mean the medication it's not effective helping with lowering blood sugar. So you can do it this way. You can do it just like one sample t-test, but you have to save another column, which is the difference. And I will show you how to do that. So let's close this and start over. So you can go to stat, same thing, you're gonna go to t-stat, paired, and it shows before and after, same thing like what we did before. But now you're gonna click save differences and you hit compute. So save difference, that's mean you're gonna get another column here in variable 3 is just the difference between 195 and 250, the difference between 180 and 100, and so forth. So, and you hit compute. There you go. That's the difference here in this column. So now you can just run a regular one sample t-test and the differences. And that's gonna give you the same result as before. So you go to stat now and you choose t-stat and you choose one sample with the data and highlight differences and just leave it the same way like what we did before. Mu equals 0 and mu is not equal to 0 and hit compute. Here you go, the same result we get before. It's 1.22 for t-test and p-value is 0.2676, and again it's higher. So we're gonna filter reject the node and conclude there is no sufficient evidence to support the claim. And you can of course do the 95 95 confidence interval if you want. You just go here and check confidence interval for mu. You can choose the level you want, depend on the question. So by default on StatCrunch it's 0.95, and you hit compute, and you can see the lower limit is negative and the upper limit is positive. So that means 0 it's in there. That means mu, the mean differences can be 0, which is the same conclusion we have before. So that's how you do a peer-t test using StatCrunch. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.